Alright guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. The surface of a pond is covered with oil layer of thickness 2 meter. The original depth of pond is 10 meter. Determine the absolute pressure and gauge pressure on the bottom of the pond. The density of water and oil are 997 kilogram per meter cube and 820 kilogram per meter cube respectively, and the atmospheric pressure is 101.3 kilopascal, which is constant. The first thing we need to note here is we have two pressures acting in the pond. We have the pressure for oil and pressure for water. Therefore, the gauge pressure is the sum of pressure due to water and oil layer. Remember in our previous video that we said gauge pressure is equals to density times acceleration due to gravity times height. Therefore, in this situation, we'll be having gauge pressure is equal to the density of water times acceleration due to gravity then times height of water, plus, remember that I said it is the sum of pressure of both liquid in the pond. So density of oil, which is OIL, right, times acceleration due to gravity and height of oil, right? So let me put this in brackets. So if you like, you can collect like terms, but if you like, you can solve on this way. Collecting like terms, what they both have in common is gravitational force, right? So you can bring it outside the brackets to the sum and all, but just to save us the stress, we say gauge pressure is equal to, okay, so inputting our value, we say gauge pressure is equal to the sum of pressure for oil and water. So therefore, the density of water is 997 kilogram per meter cube, then acceleration due to gravity, and the height of water in the pond is 10 meter. The density for oil is 820 kilogram per meter cube, and the height for oil in the pond is 2 meter. So by the time we solve for this, we derive at 97.8 kilopascal. Remember that pressure, unit of pressure is kilopascal or megapascal, gigapascal, whichever one. 16 kilopascal. Therefore, the sum of both is 113.8 kilopascal. This is the answer for our gauge pressure. And now for our absolute pressure, gauge pressure plus our atmospheric pressure. So our atmospheric pressure is constant, and we found our gauge pressure, which is 113.8 in kilopascal, 113.8 in kilopascal plus 101.3 kilopascals. So the sum is 215.1 kilopascal. Alright guys, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thanks and peace out.